his flame fall upon me. They ask me who I am, why I'm praying for a sign. I say I'm chosen, his power's in my mind. Not like them, I don't bow to Baal. Spirit in my veins, I'm breaking that wall. I'm Pentecostal, let the thunder sound. Heaven's fires fall and shake the ground. Flaming nights when I call his name. My soul's on fire, my heart's in flame. Born in the fire, breathing flame. Every step I take, I call his name. No fear inside, my home's divine. The battle's his, the victory's mine. I'm Pentecostal, yeah. Fire fall and burn this altar, yeah. Holy flame rise up in me. Lord, set my spirit free. I'm Pentecostal, yeah. Born on will, I'm on my knees, yeah. Let your glory overflow. Let the world feel heaven's glow. Where's your God now? Can he even hear? You cut your skin, but the Lord ain't near. My God speaks, his words alive. When he shows up, the heavens collide. The altar's ready, the water's poured. I wait in silence for my Lord. He's the flame no storm can tame. All my praise belongs to his name. Holy fire fall again. Burn through my doubt and sin. Spirit eternal,